tuck it in just like that, and get a staple in there. Because you gotta remember, we're gonna wrap that. And from the inside, we'll put a board, kind of push them down a little. A facilities maintenance person is going to do a little of everything. The way I refer to it is you're a jack of all trades. People that do really well in facility maintenance, they are a hands-on, eager to get in there. They like to diagnose, troubleshoot, figure out what's making it tick. Let's get the torch on it, let's get some solder flowing.
What I like about the facilities maintenance career, it's never the same job or task, and it gets to be interesting to go on that kind of problem solving.
An example of something that we're doing in one of my classes right now is we're building some 8x8 sheds. And what that's doing is that is teaching the students how to lay out the general framework for building a wall, setting up walls, a little bit of roof work, a little roof practice. It kind of helps cover a wide area of carpentry.
It's very hands-on. Usually we have a project that we build, like carpentry and drywall and painting and electric.
Usually do an hour to hour and a half lecture, and we spend a lot of the rest of the class in the lab working on some sort of projects, whether it's building sheds, running copper pipes to put in toilets and sinks, to putting up drywall, running outlets, putting in outlets, of a little everything.
There's more lab time, so you're using tools, you're working in teams, and you're getting the material you need, so you're always using your hands.
When you graduate from the facility maintenance program, you basically will start out as a maintenance tech, whether you're at an apartment complex, at a local hospital, at the high school, and then you work your way up from maintenance tech all the way up to, you could be a facilities director, where you run the show and you control and direct how everything's being done, where people are working, what they're working on for the day.
Gateway has helped me build on the skills that I needed to better succeed in my career.
When you're done with the program, you'll have the confidence to go out there and actually do the jobs that people are looking for right now.